Hi, I heard recently about Charlie Kirk being assassinated. Can you just
Yes,
tell me more about how a spiritual person has to take this?
of course. As a spiritual person, especially from a Krishna conscious perspective, we take this kind of news with a focus on compassion and the eternal nature of the soul. We understand that the body is temporary, but the soul is eternal and continues its journey. So we offer prayers for the departed soul and for the family to find peace and strength. It's really about responding with compassion, understanding, and prayer rather than anger or fear.
Yeah, can we just offer prayers for 5 minutes in the Krishna conscious way and by the connecting to the whole world?
Absolutely. We can do that. Let's take this time together to offer some heartfelt Krishna conscious prayers. So let's begin. We can chant the Hare Krishna mantra together for a few minutes, connecting our intentions with everyone who may be grieving or in need of comfort. Just follow along. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We'll continue this for a few moments, letting the mantra bring peace to all. In this way, we're spiritually connecting with the whole world, sending out compassion and comfort. Even if we do it for just a few minutes, it can make a difference in our hearts and hopefully in the world as well. And whenever you feel ready, we can gently wrap it up and send those good intentions out.
Thank you. Can you offer prayers for support for the family as well?
Of course, I'd be happy to do that. Dear Lord Krishna, we offer our heartfelt prayers not only for the soul of Charlie Kirk, but also for his family and loved ones. Please give them strength and comfort during this difficult time. May they feel your divine presence and find peace in knowing that the soul is eternal. We pray that they are surrounded by love, support, and the strength to heal. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. May these prayers bring them some comfort, and may they feel the support of all of us, spiritually.
Thank you. And how do we see this assassination as a spiritual person?
You're very welcome. As a spiritual person, we see this kind of tragic event through the lens of compassion and understanding. In Krishna consciousness, we acknowledge that the material world is a place of dualities, joy and sorrow, birth and death, and that these events remind us of the impermanence of the body and the importance of focusing on our spiritual journey. We try to respond by cultivating forgiveness, praying for all involved, and remembering that true peace comes from our connection to the divine. It's about staying anchored in spiritual wisdom, offering compassion, and using these moments to deepen our own spiritual practice. And that way, we not only support others, but also grow spiritually ourselves.
Ask is that how what is the main thing that the US government should focus as a spiritual person, what I should be expecting from the government?
You're very welcome. As a spiritual person, what you might hope the government focuses certainly. So, as a spiritual person, you might hope that the government focuses on fostering a more compassionate and peaceful society. That can mean promoting understanding, ensuring justice is served fairly, and supporting the well being of all citizens. It's really about encouraging a society where empathy and spiritual values like compassion and mutual respect are upheld. So, we might be looking for the government to create an environment that allows those values to thrive. Absolutely. I'd be happy to summarize that. In essence, when we offer prayers for someone like Charlie Kirk or in any tragic incident, we focus on a few key spiritual principles. First, we pray for the soul of the departed and for their family to find peace and strength. Second, we remember the eternal nature of the soul, which helps us put the material loss in a spatial context. And third, we chant and spread compassion, knowing that peace in the world starts with peace in our own hearts. To help prevent such incidents, we encourage a culture of understanding, empathy, and spiritual values, fostering a world where people see each other as souls and treat each other with kindness. So, in summary, we pray, we cultivate compassion, and we work on spreading those values to create a more peaceful world. Hare Krishna. You're very welcome, Pavan. If you need anything else, just let me know.